What's going on, guys? I go by the name of Doubtfire, and in this video I'm going to show you how to extend your monitor on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. There are a few ways to go about it, and two of the ways you can go is clicking on the search button down here, and you can either just search for settings, or you can type in duplicate or extend to a connected display. A third option you could do is right click and click on display settings right here, and right here you'll see the two monitors or however many you have. You can also drag these around and organize them, whatever's most mouse friendly for you. I'm gonna leave mine like this, but I do have the option right here. If I want the same thing on both screens, I can keep them on duplicate. If I want to extend them, I just want to make sure this is on my left side, it's on my right side. If you're not sure, you can go ahead and click on identify, and it will tell you in the corner what monitor number it is on this, according to this right here. Once you are satisfied, just go ahead and click apply, and you'll be all set. If this video does help you out, please drop a like and consider subscribing if you're new. Have a good one.